Due to the presence of too many AI tools and the confusion it creates, I built this free app that helps you discover the right tools, learn those tools, generate content ideas, and help you follow a step-by-step workflow to create and publish content faster. So let's run the process together. As a content creator, I'm faced with tool overwhelm just like you did. So I decided to build this free tool for my use and for my followers to test and testify to what they saw. It's still in the MVP level, but it will be of benefit if you decide to use it. You will achieve faster output in your work as a content creator. Look at what the app will help you achieve. Recommend the right AI tools. Give direct links to the tools. Give learning links from IAKTools. Generate example content, ideas, or titles. Show the exact workflow to create the content. Explain why each tool was recommended. Show the complete creation process. Save results for later use. Now, let's delve into the app analysis. This is the home page of the app. From the home page, you click the Generate My Stack to enable you to register or log in if you've registered. And you can see your dashboard, About Us page, and clicking your name at the extreme right hand will take you to your profile. To generate your stack, click the Generate My Stack button. Here you can see that you have been taken to a page with questionnaire that will ask you the first question, like, what best describes you? This helps the app tailor recommendations to your workflow. I will select who I am here, which is a YouTuber, then click the Next button below. The next question is what you want to achieve. You are advised to select more than one option. I will select and click Next. Then the last question is what is your main goal? And you have to pick the one that matters most right now and hit the Generate My Stack button. And right below, the main message has been generated for you. Let's take time to examine them. The first option is sample AI tools that resonate with what you said you are and want to do. The second option is the suggested content ideas, at least 2 that will guide you if you are lost on what idea to develop. And the next is the option that tells you how to create this content with examples of tools that will help you in each idea for a smooth and easy move. Going further is the option for how this stack works. This will go ahead to explain the functions and benefits of each tool as generated. This will make it easier for you to make quick choices and better decisions without being delusional. Then, the recommended workflow summary follows. This is a step-by-step process on how you can go about developing your content and arrive at a complete conclusion that will be professional after your creation. That is, from idea to publishing. That is it, guys. This idea came to me when I was trying to solve the problems of running out of ideas, too many tools around and not knowing which one to choose, and so on and so forth. I wish you would find it helpful too. Everything concerning the app is free. Test it and tell us what you think and what you may like to be included on the app again as a content creator. Here are the links to the app: IAKASUM.com or IAKASUM.com/IAKATOOLS. This tool is still in the MVP level and will keep on being updated as time goes on. Find the link in the video description as well. See you for the second episode of this app's review and update as we move ahead.